Spa clients. This is Dr. Alexandra Molinares. I'm here at Revanesse Spa. I welcome you to try our services. I'm specialized as a master injector in doing lips. I love to do lips. I love to give you that happy smile, transform your lips into a natural look, the ones you always dream to achieve. I mainly use the Revanesse lips. It's my favorite one just because I can give with this product the minimum amount in each area, causing less amount of lumps, less amount of swelling. But it's important to have the technique that is required for that, to take the chance to make sure that you don't overfill the area. It's really droplets as I'm injecting. I take my time. So when you come in here, you make sure that I have the skills, I have the experience. Almost the spa has been 10 years, so I'm so excited that you guys can try it. My SOS signature lips technique I have created. I welcome you to try and find out in our Facebook and Instagram. Request and call us at 813-695-4051. I'm so excited for you to try this product. And make sure that you select the proper injector. I have experience, so I know that all those issues that you're scared about, pain, discomfort, I'm here to help you to achieve those aesthetic needs for your lips. Either trying the dental block so you can be comfortable, no pain, or my topical Secret Bomb ointment that is for numbing. So I'm so excited. You guys need to try it out. So thank you for watching.